What do we got going today?
I'm gonna put 2 big rocks right here,
Yeah.
and then hopefully get the outer arch done,
Yeah.
and then probably bricks.
Okay.
But look how, I don't know, that's probably 8 feet, I suppose. We're only about 8 feet from the top. Well, then the finial and
Yeah.
okay, so it's a long ways.
It's still a long ways. And some mighty big rocks in between.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I
This-
struggle taking them down, but I think we've gained a lot of experience.
Yeah, we have.
I mean, these were tough taking down, and we just this new work platform. We got it from Titan Attachments, and Blink. No, it is description. Just kidding.
Yeah.
We did get it from Titan Attachments.
Right.
They're a very good company. We've gotten a few things from there.
Yeah.
Not
This is
sponsored by any way.
no, we're not. But the little stones that go in here,
They're all clean and on the basket.
they're all clean. Well, not all of them. Some of them are
They're
still
all-
up here.
They're all algae knocked off.
Yeah.
We
and
wanted to match the rest of the castle.
right.
That
And
would look really strange to have this whole thing pressure washed clean and the rest of the castle look like it does.
right. We just got the green off, most of it.
We knocked some of the dirt off.
Yeah. However, these are the last little stones
For the dormer.
for the dormer. I mean, the last little stones.
Yep.
So-
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 little stones.
Well, and then the about 10 of them.
We still have some in there.
Yeah, they go up. Cause there's one that goes around, but they all go up there. In between some really big cornerstones.
We'll know we did well if we can get this hole to match up with this.
Right.
Because that's where this went. Just like, well, I think it went like that.
Yeah, it goes like that.
If we can get that like that, we did pretty good.
We did pretty good. Yeah.
Of course, this thing does move just a hair.
Just a hair, well, and we can help it
So-
go where it needs to go.
I think we'll make it.
Yeah.
I never realized it moved that much, so
Well,
I think we can nail it.
I think
with
we
that.
can.
With that much movement,
Right.
I think we're. But yeah, that's the original algae, not the growth algae from being on the ground for
Right.
a year.
Right.
I think it's been about a year since we took this down.
Yeah. We took it. Yeah, we took it down. I think last fall.
That would be about a year.
Uh,
Well, for YouTube, who knows? We might have this video finally out in the summer.
who knows?
But hey, it's free.
Yeah, that's true. Alrighty then. And away we go. I got the batch of hot lime mortar
you know-
cooking.
I don't know. Sorry, didn't mean to interrupt. You know, if people are jonesing for updates, we do an update almost every day. We don't ever talk about it. I have a blog on moorelandhouse.com, our website. There's no advertisements on it or nothing. It's just I put a couple sentences about what we did and some pictures of what we did that day. So if you're jonesing for updates, you can go.
That's much more updated than the videos.
It's almost to the day.
Right.
Almost, I say.
Yeah.
All right. That's enough for our advertisement or our free website that doesn't make us any money, costs us money. But you know what? It's fun.
It is fun.
Especially when people go, oh, be more careful.
We did make a discovery though. We knew we had to put the outside arch ones in place before we could put those cornerstones in.
No, not necessarily. I'm gonna put the cornerstones in and then check the reveal on both sides of this. So I decided that I can slip it in there and tuck point it in.
Okay.
I've tuck pointed a lot of stuff in this thing.
Yeah. That's true.
I'm the tuck pointing king.
Yeah.
Right, baby?
Yeah, on this house. Absolutely.
Oh, it's because it's a castle.
Yes. That's right. While Frank is out there tuck pointing, I'm cleaning more bricks for him. Our wall of brick is going down, so that's kind of nice. So that's what I'm doing while he's up there building a wall. Well, how's they sitting?
Sitting pretty, baby.
Yeah?
Just like you, baby.
Oh, thank you. We're
pretty.
pushing out. It's starting to warm up.
Uh-huh. I don't need this hoodie, that's for sure. Whew. Check the, I can't really see this. How's that?
Spot on.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Woohoo!
But let me get my glasses just in case.
Boy, the camera can see it.
I'd say that's spot on.
Good.
That's what I would say.
That's a good thing.
That's a very good thing. Hey, baby.
I'm trying a different thing.
Something different, huh?
Well, oh, I don't need to do this yet. I gotta prime my big dome before I start. Because once there's a time, once this goes down, the limestone starts sucking up all the moisture out of it, so it sets. So
Yeah.
we gotta put it on and get it on.
Yeah.
Get it on right away. So I gotta prime this stone,
Okay.
and then I can do what I was doing.
Okay.
Do I got a mark on my head?
No.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, you do. Yeah, you do. You got a mark
Is it bad?
right here. No.
Good. That thing.
You got
right in the wrong spot.
You got a Mooreland bite, do you?
Yeah, not the first one.
Every rose has thorns.
Yep.
Alrighty then.
Every night has its dawn, though.
That's true. Well, how's it going, Bubby?
Oh, made a mistake. Here we go.
But easily fixed?
Yeah, I guess easy is in the eye of the beholder.
Well, you just have to...
Easy enough, I suppose. Just moving this rock over an inch.
Yeah, it kind of hangs over an inch. Let me show you on the paper. 24D, you can see how it hangs off on the side. Let me show you the mirror image. You can really see, this is more of a frontal view, you can see how it hangs over an inch. So Frank has to scoot that other one over that way. So.
Because I didn't notice.
Yep.
I was just going for it.
Yeah, but that's okay. But we're going to wait on these great big stones. It goes way up here like this. I think we're going to wait a little bit and let these really set. Because those are really big stones and we don't want those to move when we're putting those in. So that's where we stand.
I need a tape measure to make sure this is over an inch.
Okay. Got him his tape measure.
A little more than an inch.
But you can see how him wiggling the top stone wiggled the bottom stone a little bit. Not that it moved, it just wiggled.
Wiggles.
Just a little bit.
That's close enough.
All right, very good.
Now I gotta reset everything, make sure everything's still in plane.
In plane.
That's close enough.
Doing all his fancy things with his levels that he normally does. All right.
All those fancy things.
All those fancy things. Like
It's called plumbing, baby.
plumb leveling, plumbing. Well, how's it going out there, Frank?
Put more rocks on.
Put more rocks on. We like it when you put more rocks on. 25D, that's what that one is.
Yep.
And did you notice the numbers are getting smaller?
I know.
They are getting smaller.
It's a good thing, right?
Right. It's gonna go right there.
And then we get the brick again.
Yeah, but I've been cleaning lots and lots of bricks.
Right.
Look at that.
5D.
There it goes. Looking fabulous. Even though this is the back side, I'll show you the front side later. Making another batch of hotline mortar. But here's what Frank has done so far today. Getting them in there. He's got to finish up some. Here's that rock he had to scoot over for an inch. These look really nice. Hi.
Hey, baby. Say you found a tape measure for me?
I have 2 of them.
Yay.
So it's looking really good.
Rest to our souls will be given on the eternal shore. Home of the soul, beautiful home, there we shall rest, never to roam. Free from all care, happy and bright, Jesus is there, He is the light. Oft in the storm, lonely are we, sighing for home, longing for Thee. Beautiful home of the ransom beside the crystal sea, the crystal sea. Yes, the sweet rest is remaining for the true children of God, where there will be no complaining, never a chastening rod. Home of the soul, beautiful home, there we shall rest, never to roam. Free from all care, happy and bright,
sleeping on your tower? Are you sleeping on your tower, pretty girl? Are you sleeping on your tower? Oh, sweet baby. Are you purring? Yes. My good girl. Yeah. You're my good girl, Mimi.